If you're an e-commerce brand, it is 292% easier to sell to people who already bought from you compared to people who've just signed up for your list. And because of that, today I'm going to show you how to build a proper cross-sell flow. So in the moment they buy something from you, they end up buying 2, 3, 4, 5 items more with them. This does two things. Number one, it gives you more money. Number two, it makes people fall in love with your brand more because two products stacked together usually make each other better. So going forward, I'm going to show you the bad examples, the good examples, the best practices, and the psychology tricks you should use in those cross-sell emails so people can actually click on them. As well as the strategy for the subject headlines you need to put so people can actually open them in the first place. Let me start by saying, what is the cross-sell flow? Cross-sell flow is designed for people who've just bought from you and you want to pair it with something that will make that product even better. It is not an upsell, it's not a bigger version of the same thing, it's not anything else. It's simply some product that matches with what they already bought. Most stores design one single email for that specific thing. The best practice is to design 3 emails and send 3 emails after they bought. And I'm going to show you the timelines. First one fires immediately as soon as they buy. Second one fires within 24 hours. And the third one fires in day 6 after they bought. You can also pair this flow with another flow called fulfilled order. Fires after the cross-sell flow when you need to just educate them why the pairing happened, why these products match, and why they need to actually do them. So more on education. That also fires about 3 emails. The expected results you can see from it is about 10 to 15% of people who bought, which is massive because it's absolutely free. Let's take a look at some of the bad examples that happen within cross-sell flows. I see emails like this where they'll be like, you might also like, and just put the product photo with the name and the price, right? And it just goes like this and it says shop all products. Very generic and doesn't really show why the pairing happened. Another horrendous example is this example with the 15% off, right? Why would you give me 15% off right on the first email? And first of all, I don't even know what is it for. And again, once again, just best sellers, just shop around, nothing specific whatsoever. Now, here are some of the good examples for cross-sell flows. Your subject line is very important for these ones. It says what goes in them, and it basically repeats on the headline. It says what goes in them. Hey, you bought the item name. This is the part people forget. Shop socks, and immediately gives them the button to click. And then obviously it shows the product that goes in pair with what they have already bought. It shows them if they buy it right now, they get some sort of an incentive. So in this case, it's a free shipping, right? It will be fulfilled. And by the way, the most important and powerful thing you can do in here is you can input either in your subject line, either in your first line of the email, is to say your order is not shipped yet. So it's in the process of shipping, but it's not shipped yet. So the person will be like, well, if it's not shipped yet, might as well buy these and get the free shipping or get the incentive for myself. And so after this, yes, obviously I said you show the numbers and then you sell another thing. Like you don't care. You sell multiple things in a cross-sell email. You sell a bag. It says it has a bag for the shoes and you educate it and show your price. They will be able to buy it because maybe they don't resonate with the sock too much, but they will resonate with the back, right? And we don't finish here. This email ends here, but I would add even more. I would just add other products for them, and just because they have been reminded of the fact that it's, hey, free shipping above certain amount. If you buy more, you will get that, and they'll just shop around. Maybe they already had something in mind as well, so they can buy it. Here's another email. It is a plain text email, so it has no images, but it's more educational and more personalized to the person. So it says 3 steps in order. First is basically showing them how to use their current product and as well as kind of selling the other product. Although it does says there's nothing to buy in this email. They have the links, right? And so it says pack it. What you have to do, you have to pack whatever you have. Then what goes in them? What else goes? They mention packet, right? So they don't say a bag, buy a bag as well as what you had, which is shoes in this case. But they say pack your shoes in a bag when you go to the gym. So buy a bag for us, $120. Another thing, on the day, what goes in them? You just say performance socks are built for training, same as the shoes. 3 cuts, basically just selling them the socks. And then another one is not selling them, is just making sure they understand that, hey, we're not just like ramming with every single product that we have. Really cool to see these examples. Let's move on to the psychology behind the clicks and how to make sure people actually click on it instead of just skipping it. Well, first of all, the hard decision is already made on them. They basically trusted you with their cart. That's the hardest decision they can ever make. Now you just need to phrase it right and not feel spammy, and they'll just buy anything from you. So first, frame it as a completion, not as an addition to what they bought. Basically, say that this is the part of the pack. You bought it, but it's not something like, oh, buy shoes as well, buy bag as well. It's part of bag. It's like shoes goes with the bag, but you only decided to buy the shoes. That's how you frame it. Second, putting a discount will insult your product, simply because people who sometimes buy anyways then find out that, oh, they gave me a discount. And what it does is they buy it, obviously, but then you would have gotten them anyway. Now you just lost margin for unknown reason. The next one, please do not sell them something they've already bought once again. Unless it's something that is subscription based or something that is long term, so it might finish and they might restock the order. That's the second order flow. It's a different type of flow. For cross-sell, please make sure you actually track things right and don't sell them, because the fastest way to just lose somebody's trust is to let them know that nobody's paying attention. Now, although I'm a big proponent of just being more salesy on the second order emails, please make sure you're actually teaching them something about the product instead of just being pitchforking, just salesy and just blasting them with the products. By the way, if you want to learn how to build these emails without having to spend massive amounts of time and have all the templates ready for you, we have all of the templates inside our Skool community. It is the second link in the description. Currently, as of right now, it's almost second. It is completely free, so click on the link and join right now. As soon as it becomes paid, you will get it for free forever, even if it becomes paid later. So again, second link in the description, Skool community. Other than that, if you like these videos, subscribe, and let's see you in the next one.